Hello everyone, this is Akib Javed. Welcomes you all on Pabbly. So guys, in this video you are going to learn how to subscribe new Shopify customers to a VBout list automatically. Right? So guys, if you opt this method that I'm about to tell you, it will help you to build better customer relationships and improve your business. How? Let me tell you. So guys, suppose that you have created an e-commerce store here in Shopify application, right? So guys, Shopify is a e-commerce hosting platform. In place of Shopify, you can also use any other e-commerce hosting platform as well, right? So you have created a store here and your customers started signing up or creating an account in your store. So whenever you got a new sign up here in Shopify, you want to add the same customer who have signed up in a list that you have in VBout application. Okay, so guys, VBout is a marketing tool in which you can create communication and marketing campaigns such as email marketing. So whenever you got a new sign up here, you want to add the same person as a new subscriber in a list in VBout, right? So one way to do this is that whenever you got a new sign up, you are going to manually sort out the details of that person. Then you will come to VBout application and add the same person manually as a new subscriber. But guys, if you are receiving hundreds of signups on daily basis, this manual process can be very problematic. So I have a better way. What if I tell you that as you got a new sign up here in your Shopify e-commerce store, the same person get automatically added here in VBout application as a new subscriber. Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen, we are using here a software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. And what it will do, it will connect these two applications together such that whenever you got a new sign up here, the same person get automatically added here as a subscriber in VBout. And the best part of making this automation, guys, is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So let me give you a demo on my screen of how this automation or connection between Shopify and VBout is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen, and here you can see I have opened my Shopify store here. Okay, so this is a store I have created from Shopify, and whenever any customer create an account in this store to do shopping, we want to add that customer here in our VBout application in this list. So I have created this list here, Shopify customer. So let me show you. I'm going to create another account here. Okay. Here I am clicking on create account. Okay, and let me fill the details of the person who is creating the account. So I have filled the details of the customer as this, Harsha Yadav. This is the number and all other details. Now I'm clicking on create here. So a new account of a customer is created here in our Shopify store. Okay, so let us check in VBout application if the same person is added here in this Shopify customer list. So you can see a new person added here. Let me show you. And the name of the person is Harsha Yadav, and this is the same person who have created an account here in my Shopify store, and now the same person is added here in this list of Shopify customer in my VBout application, right? So let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation and connect your Shopify store with VBout. So these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration and add your Shopify customers to VBout's list. Okay, so step 1 says connect Pabbly Connect to Shopify with the help of a webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and generate a webhook URL to connect our Shopify store with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 says collect the data from Shopify in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll create a new customer here in Shopify and bring the data of the customer here in Pabbly Connect. And step 3 says send the same data to VBout to add subscriber in list. Okay. So the data of a person we have captured here in Pabbly Connect, we are going to send it to VBout to add as a subscriber in a list. Okay. So first of all, let us jump to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products icon and then click on Pabbly Connect. And now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button, which I have already done. So I'm going to click on sign in directly. So after signing in from this all apps section, I'm going to click here on access now, and it will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. This is it. Okay. And to start working here, you have to create workflows like these. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on create workflow button. Then here you have to give a relevant name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I filled the name as add VBout subscriber in a list from Shopify. Okay. So now click on create here, and your workflow will be created like this. And here you will see these two things first. Okay. So the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these things. The trigger says when this happens, action says do this. All right. So as in our use case, the trigger would be a new customer in Shopify, and the action would be to add that customer here in VBout in a list, right? So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app field, you have to choose your application as Shopify. Okay, this one. And in this trigger event, select the event as new customer. Okay. And it will generate this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to connect our Shopify store. So you have to follow these steps. You can see you have to go to settings and all these steps. Let me show you how it is going to be done. So you have to copy this URL from here. Then you have to go to your Shopify's dashboard. This is our Shopify's dashboard, and here you have to click on the settings option. Okay. And from the settings, you will find this option here, notifications. Click on notifications. Okay. And from this list, you have to find the webhook option. Okay. So this is webhooks, you can see. And here you'll find this create webhook button. Click on it. And here in this event, you have to select this option, customer creation. Okay, this one. Right. And here in this URL field, you have to paste the URL that you have copied, the webhook URL. Okay. And here in this webhook version, you have to select this latest webhook version. Right. Now click on save here. And you can see the webhook saved successfully showing up here. Right. So in Pabbly Connect, you can see when I click on here copy, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means we need to do a test submission, or we need to create a customer in our Shopify store, and then we are going to capture the data of that customer here in Pabbly Connect. So let's do this. I'm going to my Shopify store, and here I'm signing up again to create a new customer. Let me log out first. Okay. Now let's create a new account of a customer. So I've filled the details of the customer. Our customer is Dilip Mehta, right? And all the details required. Now I'm going to click on create here, and you will see a new account is created and Mr. Dilip Mehta has logged in our Shopify store, right? Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if the data is captured, and you can see the data is here like this. Okay. So we have captured the data from Shopify to here in Pabbly Connect. Now we want to add the same customer in a list in our VBout application here, right? So this is the list we have. Let me show you Shopify customer list. Okay. So to do this, go to Pabbly Connect and click on this action window. And from this choose app, choose the application as VBout. Okay. And here in this action event, choose add contact to list. Okay. Right. Now click on connect here. And from this window, choose add new connection option, and it will ask for this API user key. So to find the user key, you have to go to settings of your VBout application. Let me show you. So here in VBout, you have to click here on this icon. Okay. And from here, you have to click on settings. And here you will find this API integrations option right here. Click on it. And here is the API user key. So you have to copy this key from here like this. Okay. And paste this key here in this API user key field in Pabbly Connect and click on save. So you can see it started showing connected now. And here it is asking for the list ID. So we have more than one list in our VBout application, and the list in which we want to add the customer is this one, Shopify customer list. Click on it, and here it is asking for the email address. So you'll find the email address and other details of the customer from this first step like this. Okay, so you just have to map this data here. So click on this field and you will find this Shopify new customer option. Click on it, and here you'll find the same data that you have captured in the first step. So map the email address. Let me change the status as active customer, right? And I do not have IP address, so I'm leaving it blank. So in the first name, let me map the first name. This is the first name. Let me map the last name, right? Email address as well, right? And in the cell phone, you can map the cell phone number also, where we have the cell phone. Yeah, we have it. Now, when I click here on save and send test request, this person whose data we have filled will be created as a new contact in our list. Okay, you can see your contact has been created successfully, showing up here. Now let's check in our VBout applications list. So I'm opening the list we have. Okay, so these are our lists, and we need to see this list, Shopify customer, and we have a new contact here. Let me open this, and this contact is Dilip Mehta, right? You can see the phone number also, right? So a new contact is created here. So our connection is working fine with VBout, you can see, and the workflow is completed. Let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, we connected Shopify application with the help of this webhook URL. Then we captured the data of a new customer created like this. And then we come on this action step, and here we choose the application as VBout, right? We connected it. Then we selected the list, mapped the details to create a contact in that list like this. And when I click here on save and send test request, a new contact is created here like this, right? Our workflow is completed. Now just click on save here, and we are going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start using it instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.